this video, I'm going to be making a wooden tray that is 18 inches long, 12 inches wide. I'm just going to use scrap material. I'm going to use some of this leftover 3/4 inch plywood that I have, as well as some of these 1x6s. And I'm going to have a slight little handle. You can use a tray like this for any other things. I'm just going to use simple joints that overlap, and it'll have some hand grips. So if you want to see how this tray is made, stick with me and watch this video. As you can see, this is how it's going together. You may have to trim these to get them to fit perfectly onto your plywood bottom, but that's not that big of a deal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some hand holes on here to make it easier to carry before I assemble it. And to do that, I'm just going to use a drill bit and then connect the two with a jigsaw. Fail. I've got it all sanded down. This is my little wooden tray. It's just made out of scrap wood, and for me, what this purpose of this was just to put some logs in here so I don't scratch up my hearth and get debris all over it. It's much easier to throw the logs in here. Any debris that falls off the logs, I can just simply take it, dump it outside, get rid of it, and it doesn't leave much debris. Or I could even use this to carry logs in. I know it's not very big. It's only 18 inches outer dimensions, but my log have to be less than 18 in order to fit into my unit. I made it this size. You can make these trays any size out of anything. I made it out of scrap lumber. I did not fill the nail holes in. I'll stain this with weathered gray to match the rest of the furniture up in that room, and then I'll put a clear coat on it so that it helps protect the finish, and then it's good to use. But you can use these for anything, carrying around serving trays or anything. They're really simple to make, they don't take much material, and they're really quick to knock out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button down below, and I really appreciate it because it really helps out my channel. Thank you very much.